10 Best Herbal Supplements for Healthy Lungs. Your lungs work hard every day, filtering air and supplying oxygen to your body. To support lung health naturally, these herbal supplements can help clear airways, reduce inflammation, and enhance respiratory function. Mullein, Verbascum thapsus. Mullein is a traditional herb used to support lung health. It soothes irritated airways and loosens mucus, making it easier to breathe. Available as tea, tincture, or capsules, it's rich in demulcent properties that coat the throat and expectorants that help clear phlegm. This makes it ideal for coughs, bronchitis, and mild respiratory congestion. Licorice Root, Glycyrrhiza glabra. Licorice root is a powerful herb known for reducing lung inflammation and acting like a natural steroid. It's commonly used as a tea in capsules or as an extract. Its key compound, glycyrrhizin, helps soothe the respiratory tract, calm coughs, and fight off viral infections. While highly effective, it should be used with caution, especially for those with high blood pressure or on long-term therapy, as it may affect potassium levels and blood pressure. Lungwort, Pulmonaria officinalis. Lungwort is a soothing herb traditionally used to moisturize the lungs and support overall bronchial health. Taken as a tea or tincture, it's rich in antioxidants and mucilage, which help calm irritated tissues and promote lung tissue recovery. It's gentle. Healing properties make it ideal for dry coughs and chronic respiratory discomfort, especially in dry or polluted environments. Asha root, Ligusticum porteri. Asha root is a potent respiratory herb that helps enhance oxygen uptake and relieve chest congestion. Commonly used as a tincture or capsule, it contains camphor-like compounds that stimulate circulation to the lungs, helping to open airways and improve breathing. Its warming, aromatic nature also makes it useful for fighting infections and soothing irritated bronchial passages. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris. Thyme is a powerful herb with antibacterial and expectorant properties, ideal for respiratory support. It can be taken as a tea, capsule, or used through essential oil inhalation. Its key compound, thymol, helps loosen mucus, clear the airways, and fight respiratory infections like bronchitis or sinusitis. It's especially helpful during colds or flu when lungs need extra support. Peppermint, Mentha piperita. Peppermint is a refreshing herb that helps ease breathing and open airways. It's commonly used as a tea, in lozenges, or through oil inhalation. Its active compound, menthol, works by relaxing bronchial muscles and soothing the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe during colds, allergies, or congestion. It also provides a cooling sensation that calms irritation. Elecampane, Inula helenium. Elecampane is a traditional lung remedy known to clear stubborn phlegm and soothe bronchitis symptoms. Taken as a tea, tincture, or in capsules, it contains inulin and allantolactone, compounds that help reduce coughing, calm lung irritation, and support the body's natural ability to expel mucus. It's especially useful for deep, lingering coughs and chronic chest congestion. Eucalyptus, Eucalyptus globulus. Eucalyptus is widely known for its ability to open sinuses and reduce respiratory inflammation, commonly used in steam inhalation, lozenges, or essential oil. Its active compound eucalyptol helps thin mucus, clear nasal passages, and ease breathing. It's especially effective during colds or sinus infections, providing fast, natural relief from congestion. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. Ginger is a warming herb that helps reduce inflammation and fight respiratory infections. It can be taken as a tea, in capsules, or as fresh root. Ginger contains powerful compounds like gingerols and shogaols, which help relax airway muscles, ease chest tightness, and calm irritation in the lungs. It's especially beneficial for soothing coughs and boosting overall lung function. Astragalus root, Astragalus membranaceus. Astragalus root is a powerful adaptogenic herb that helps strengthen immune defenses and protect lung tissue. It's commonly taken as tea, in capsules, or as an extract, known for boosting overall immune function. It also enhances lung resilience, especially against pollution, allergens, and environmental stressors. Ideal for long-term respiratory support and prevention. Note, before using any herbal supplements, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have respiratory conditions, are pregnant, or are taking medications. Some herbs can interact with prescriptions or cause unwanted side effects. Professional guidance ensures you use the right supplements safely and effectively for your individual health needs. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.